What do we need for making a very cute origami cat? We need an ice cream stick. We need an orange origami paper. 2 white circular papers. We need glue. We need a black marker. First step, we have to fold this paper in triangle. Let's fold this paper and turn it into a triangle. A very firm line. Once you are done, you have to open it. Then you can see a very firm line, right? You have to take any one corner and fold it till the center line. So for suppose we have kept the sheet like this, so you will take this corner and fold it till the center line. First step, turn the paper in a triangle and we can see the center line. Now take the top corner and fold it till the center line. Third step, we are going to fold this paper like this. Push the paper down so that your paper will look like this. We will fold this corner till this corner. So we will fold this triangle like this. And after folding it, getting a firm line, we will open it. So we just need this line. For that, we will fold the triangle in half and we will open it again. And now we will fold this corner till this point, okay? For example, I will show you. Hold the corner like this and fold it like this till the center line. Your paper will look like this. Now you have to repeat the same step with the other side corner too. We will hold the corner and fold it till the center line. Now you all can see bottom is the opening point of the joint, right? And top is the closing point. We will fold the top part, top corner, down in a triangular shape like this. After completing this step, I will mark it with the pencil. Hold this corner in our hand and fold it upward like this, so that these two lines will match together. And we are making cat ears. And then till this side we are going to fold this, the another one corner, and fold it upwards. Fold it upwards. You can see one triangle on this side and another triangle on this side. We will fold them like this. This triangle you can see, fold them like this. And apply glue so that this paper, this corner will not open. Then with same this another side one, this one. Now you can see this corner is opening again and again. Drop a single glue and close this one too, so that it will not open again and again. Okay. Now this pointed bottom corner, we have to do something with it. So fold it just one finger and make a triangle like this. And over here you can apply a single drop of glue so that even this paper will not open. And after applying glue, you can turn it around and you can see the face structure of a cat. Now, one drop and another drop. White circular paper. So paste white circular paper on the drop of glue so that we can make eyes. Eyes are ready. Now we have to make a rectangular nose like this. A very cute rectangular nose like this. Then a standing line just in the bottom of the triangular shape. And then one curve upward on the left side, one curve upward on the left side. Then you can make few dots and whiskers. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make any. You can make 3, you can make 4, you can make 5 whiskers on each side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, my catty cat is ready. You can make eyebrows if you want to. It's optional. Cat is ready. Now in the back side you can paste this. Your cat's puppet is ready. Cat's puppet is ready.